Don't you think it's crazy? That this channel got nearly 4 million views on its very first upload. And the fact is, it's not a stroke of luck. They actually use particular fundamental that make it work every time. The algorithm of YouTube doesn't even give a shit again about the number of subscribers or followers you have anymore. It only boosts video if that video follows the secret method that I call the wave method. I already tried it on my other channels and it works multiple times. To explain this method, I want you to imagine what YouTube was like when you went surfing. That content creation is like an ocean and each breaking news out there is like a wave. And if you want to catch a wave for you to surf, you must go to the right location. Choose the right ocean, the right spot, and the right time if you already decide that. You go to that beach, paddling in that direction, and stay on it before everyone else. And then you wait until the ocean gives you the perfect wave to surf on. And that's the truth about this YouTube. This particular video I showed you before doesn't go viral in the first place. But they already know the right location for that topic because the World Cup is around the corner. They prepare for it, stay on it, and then they wait. As you can see, they first uploaded that particular video 9 months ago, and that was around September. As you see in the comments section, the first person who commented on that video was 3 months after the video was posted. So that's different from the viral video that has millions of viewers in 1 day, 1 week, or even 1 month. That video needs around 3 months to make the algorithm to make the video go viral. But that needs one more element that we called right time. That right time was when Kylian Mbappe just scored a hat trick in the final of World Cup 2022. That was exactly 3 months after that video was posted. That moment caused a tremendous interest and search volume about him. People from around the world searched for him and wanted to get more information about him, which made YouTube push that specific video to the mass of searchers on the internet. And Skiller Originals was already there, waiting and had already prepared to ride that waves 3 months before. Earn thousands of dollars for the view they receive while everyone else tries to get their content as fast as they can to that place. But as the character of a wave, when you see it, try to chase it, it is already gone when you reach that place. The big question is, how do you think a killer knows that particular player will make an internet sensation? The truth is, they don't. When you return to the ocean, you will never know when and where that wave will come. But when you prepare, it will eventually come to you at the right time. Skiller doesn't know that Kylian Mbappe will make an internet sensation at that time, so they prepare for every ocean, not just Mbappe. They prepare for Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, Messi, and many others. So anyone who makes an internet sensation at World Cup in 2022, they already get to ride the wave, but in this case, that star who created that wave. Many people want to become viral and successful on YouTube in their first month in YouTube and their very first video. But the fact is that every successful YouTuber out there needs even years to then become successful in the YouTube industry. Now, I'll tell you their secret to know where the next wave will come. So, what you need is to look at Google Trends and search for any topics that you like that always have had a trend in the last 3 years. So there's a time this year that topic will become a trend again, and YouTube will push your topic into viewers once more. There's some niche I can recommend for you. It can be about health, traveling, wealth, sports, and finance, and crypto. Those are some topics that people will search for in some years to come. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there so you never miss every time we upload new videos. And you should watch this video to combine with the strategy so that when the algorithm pushes your content, it goes to right people. Good luck for you and your YouTube journey.